You have your own business, but sometimes you want to know what your competitor is doing, or you want to know just what kind of ads this business is running. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can check what kind of ads, what advertisement that they are running right now in their Facebook page. So I'm going to show it to you in two places. One will be in Facebook page transparency. Another one will be in Facebook ads library. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show it to you right now. So let's go.
Okay, first of all, go to your computer, go to your Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook account. I'm going to show you this one method once only through computer because it's the same thing as using your mobile as well. So basically all you have to do is just go to search the page. Okay, for example, I want to search Peng Joon. Okay, just type Peng Joon. Even in the mobile as well, you get to see where it is. Okay, last time page transparency, it is easily shown at the left corner, but now they have changed it. What to do? So all you have to do is just go to about, go to page transparency, and you can see here the information about the ads. So the page is currently running ads. So you click on see all, get to see who is responsible for this page, whether it's verified or not, when it's created, who is managing this page, and you can see that this page is currently running ads. All you have to do is just go to ad library, and there you go. You get to see all the ads that Peng Joon is running. For example, launch in June, only one ad, which is this exclusive event, and you can see that they have long copywriting together with the link. So this is usually when you run ads for training, for events, usually they have a longer copywriting to entice people to join the event. And you can see that when you click on it, and you can see that you can see all details. Just click on it, you can see the information here. Now for this is actually similar like boost post. So what does it mean is that when people, it's more not like boost post, this is more like engagement advertisement. What they do is they want people to type the word replicate, and then they will have a ManyChat automation being sent in later. So there's many tips and tricks on running ads as well. So this is one way. That's why you don't see any call to action here. Compared to here, you get to see a call to action to learn more. When you click on it, it will automatically go to this 5-day AI event. Okay, and this is the event that they're doing. So now I've been pixeled by him. I believe I'll be seeing his ad quite often after this. Okay, so just explore what kind of image that they use, what kind of page that they use, what kind of copywriting that they use, the headline, learn more. So you can see ad details again, you can see everything is here. Okay, and they have different variation as well. So this, I think they're doing A/B testing. Just have a look. That is if you know what kind of page you want to check. About if you don't know what page, what kind of business you want to check. You just want to check the general keywords. So you can be doing that as well using ads library, same place. Basically all you have to do is just go to facebook.com/ads/library and you'll be here. So I want to search the ads here, which is my country, and I click on all ads. Okay, so search by keywords or advertiser. So you can type in Peng Joon. Alright, you can see here Peng Joon, but if you don't want, you want to see, for example, webinar. Okay, just for example, just type on webinar, enter, and then you can see many ads that are running webinar. So webinar kit, okay, I think this is a new automate webinar software. Okay, webinar kit. So you can see what image they are running. Let's see what's the campaign here. Or when you click on this, you go to the ad, the landing page, or this is called the sales page or whatsoever. Okay, go to the website, basically that. Alright, so you can see this is webinar vet, webinar kit. So yes, this is one example you can see. Okay, you can see all ad details. Okay, you can see what kind of copy that they write, information and the ad and the link here. What kind of CTA that they use, learn more, get offer, see details. Everything is here. So if you don't know the page, this is what you do. You directly go to ads library, type in certain keywords, and then you can see what kind of ads that are running. Hope that is helpful. I've shown you two ways. One, if you know the page directly, just go to a page directly, go find their about section, go to page transparency. If not, just go to ads library and type in the keyword and see what kind of ads that come in, and then you can see exactly what people are running. I think this is quite useful as well if you want to do research, especially when you're thinking what kind of ads you want to run. This is a good place for you to research. And with that, I hope that this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Goodbye.